In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps for walking directions. So very first thing you want to do here is just open up Google Maps. Once you've done that, at the search bar at the top of your screen, just input the location that you want to go to. So for example, we're going to UST, which is a university here. So there. The next thing you want to do is just press on directions. From here, make sure that you select the walk icon next to the address that you've selected. Because, for example, we chose the motorcycle. It shows the best route for a motorcycle, but since we're just walking, we're just gonna use the walking icon there. So from here, you just need to follow the dotted line until you get into that university, as you can see. Also, when I turn my phone, it also changes the direction on where my current use icon is facing to. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.